Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. So in the previous class we discussed regarding how to create the table, how to create the form. So the forms, we have three different type of forms. One is simple form design, and we have form wizard, and we have a form design option. So totally we have three options to design the forms in MS Access 2010, that is form design and form wizard. So in the previous class we discussed how to create the form with the help of form design. So students, look at the screen. So already you know that how to create the table and all. So here I have a table called student info. So this is my table name, student info, and these are the fields I have created. So that is roll number, name, class, marks and fees. Well, so already you know what is the use and what is the advantage of creating the forms, right? So as we discussed earlier, so forms are helpful for all the users in the sense, suppose a person or a user, he is a non-technical person, or if he don't know much about the MS Access, so we are all know that how to insert the values or how to insert the data information into the table, directly into the table. Suppose a person, he is a non-technical person, or he don't know how to use the MS Access, so in such cases you can use forms, right? So for such kind of users, we have to create the forms. So by the help of the forms, they can enter information, and they can also unknowingly that automatically the information will be added to the table, right? So here, so right now I don't have any records in the table called student info, right? So now we'll go for designing the forms. So you need to click on create tab. Look at the screen, students. You have to click on create tab. So click over here, and here we have different type of groups: template group, tables group, queries, forms, report, macros and code, right? So in the group called forms, right, in the group called forms, we have a option called form wizard. We have option called form wizard. So click on form wizard, right? So you will get a window called form wizard window. So in this window, at the left side of the window, you can observe here, left side here you have available fields, right? So available fields of which table? A table called student info, right? Student info table. In this table we have these all available fields, right? So on your form, what type of fields you need to insert? It means, right? Are you getting the point? The point is, so these are the available fields in student info table. In your creating the tab, you are going to create the form. So in the form, which are the fields you need to insert for the user, right? So now what I will do, I will go for all, right? So or I will select one by one. So in this, right, first I will select roll number, and then you need to click on this button. Okay, if you click over here, observe the screen, students. So you have selected roll number in the form, right? So next I will select marks, and then you can select name, you can select name, class, fees, right? So you have selected all the fields. So then after that you need to click on next. So here you can select columnar, next, and then click on finish. Yes, so this is your form, right? So this is the form you have. So roll number, marks, name, class, fees. So what are these? These are the fields which are available in a student info table, right? So in the navigation pane, here you have a student info. So in the next class we will see how to insert values and how to get the values in the table.